So step one, read the question. So I'm asking you to pause and read that question for yourself. Step two, we're going to highlight the key words. Now this is particularly key just here, same total distance. We need the average speed at the end of miles per hour. The topic is speed. Here's a possible process, and that's the process I'm going to follow now. So you can start by drawing a picture to describe what's happening for J. They start here. Their first 15 minutes is at 8 miles per hour. Their second 15 minutes, 90 minutes, is at 6 miles per hour. Oh, formula. Let's look at speed, distance, time. Now, the speed we know has to be in miles per hour. This is miles per hour. This is miles per hour. So miles per hour. That means that the distance has to be in miles, which is fine. They all are. But my time must be in hours. And we have some minutes going on here. So one thing we have to do is convert those minutes into hours. So let's do that now. 15 minutes in hours, a quarter of an hour, 0.25 hours. 90 minutes is an hour and a half, 1.5 hours. If you don't know how to do that, please check that you can do that easily. Then I'm going to draw myself a table. I have two sets of timings, speed, distance, time. All right, so this is the first part of the journey, and this is the second part of the journey here. The first part of the journey, we know the speed was 8 miles per hour. The distance, we don't know this yet. That's what we're trying to work out. And then the time, 0.25 hours. The second one, 6 miles per hour. And then the time is 1.5 hours. Now we can add the times together. It makes sense. This time plus this time equals the total time, which makes it 1.75 hours. We cannot, however, add the speeds together. We must work out the total distance first before we do anything with the speed. And in fact, in this question, we don't even need to. So let's look at back at our formula for speed. Speed equals distance over time. Now I'm going to draw another triangle here so I can substitute in the details that I need. So speed here for my first, speed is 8. Distance is the thing that I need, and time is 0.25. Now this is a non-calculated question, so you do need to be able to take this and turn it into this. We're going to do the second one here as well. The second leg, so this is the first, this is the second. We're still working out distance, 6 miles an hour, 1.5 hours, so distance equals 6 multiplied by 1.5, which does indeed equal 9. So we've got 2 miles here and 9 miles here. So we're going to put them 2 miles and 9 miles. And then we're going to do 2 plus 9 equals 11 miles. That's J. Okay, this is their journey. We now need to find out Mick's average speed, and Mick took 2 hours. So let's look at Mick, speed, distance, time. What do we have? Well, we don't know the speed. That's what we're trying to work out for Mick. The distance is the same. We are told it is the same total distance. So distance is 11 miles. It could be the same. And then the time it takes, we know, is 2 hours. And therefore speed equals 11 divided by 2, which is 6.5 miles per hour. Remember, you're going to check you've answered the question. Calculate mixed average speed in miles per hour. That's what we've done. And then you're going to go back and check your workings.